Organisers at a charity for homeless people in Glasgow have warned there will be an increased number of deaths on our streets this year. The comments came as more than 100 people slept rough on Sauchiehall Street on Saturday to raise awareness for the terrible crisis in the city. An estimated 117 people lined the busy street in their sleeping bags as part of the Help the Homeless Glasgow annual sleepout, which also acted as a life-saving sleeping bag donation drive for the charity. The event aimed to provide everyday locals with a taste of just how difficult life can be for rough sleepers during the cold winter months, with temperatures on the night dropping to just above freezing. "It's a scary, scary place to be," said Anton Reilly, one of the organisers at Help the Homeless, Glasgow, HtHG. "If you're sitting down, there are fights going on around you and you're cold, tired, lonely, and scared. It's a horrible place to be. I know a lot of people who have been through it. It's a tough life." Anton believes that Glasgow City Council aren't doing much and are allowing groups like HtHG to take over volunteers during Saturday's sleepout. He added, "If it wasn't for groups like us, I don't think the public would really know what's happening in the streets, so it's really important to do events like this to raise awareness and get more people involved." Earlier this month we told how official statistics from Glasgow's Health and Social Care Partnership revealed that 45 homeless people died in the city last year. But Anton continued, "I think there will be more homeless deaths this year. They've cut loads of beds in Glasgow alone, total cutbacks. It's a joke basically. The homeless crisis is terrible in Glasgow. The council says they have a program in place, but that program clearly is not working." Comedian Gary Folds was among those who slept out for the event, as well as keeping everyone's spirits high throughout the night. It was the second sleepout in a month for Gary, after he and Anton slept rough back in November. He told Glasgow Times, "This is minimal compared to what the homeless people have to go through, but it's still a good experience. When I went home the last time I was absolutely knackered. But I got to go to my house, a big warm house, big bed, but my head was in overtime. You're thinking about people in the street, they'll still be on the street. You can't change the world, but I think getting involved with charities like this, you can raise awareness, and with the profile I've been gifted with, I should be doing things like this." Also among the volunteer was 14-year-old Aidan Sweeney from the East End. Aidan has helped out with HtHG for 3 years, something he says has helped him become more sociable. Shy at first, Aidan is known. For more on this story, visit the news article link.